everyone, welcome to this video of RProgramming for statistics. हाँ, हम लोग यहाँ पर R programming यूज करके statistics के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे और how to do it ये मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी सबसे easily और सबसे आसानी से मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी कि आपको अगर आपका कोई प्रोग्रामिंग बैकग्राउंड ना हो, आपको अगर प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता हो, फिर भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। इस वीडियो में आपको सब कुछ एकदम आसानी से सिंपल वर्ड्स में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, आपका कोई डाउट नहीं रहेगा। और फॉर फर्दर डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस, मॉक टेस्ट एंड गाइडेंस, प्लीज आपको आपके स्क्रीन में यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट डॉक्टर सौरभ सर क्लासेस। उसका फोन नंबर इज ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट्स 9836793076। So let's get started. So let's start with today something called data types. So all the data that we have, either our phone number, our numbers, our name, our age, everything is a data. But all those data have different types. They are all not the same. So over here we will learn some basics like what are the data types, because if we don't know what a data type is, we can't apply a function on the data, because not all functions will work on all the data types. So a numerical function like say a mean will never work on a character data type function like a string. It will never work on it. So that's why we have to know what is what. So मैंने simply सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पर explain कर दिया है कि कैसे कैसे different data types है, just the basics of it. First है उसका numerical data type, obviously, which is the numerical values, simple. और आपको character data types है, which is anything like hello R, hello kitty. Then we have the logical data type, which is again true false binaries. So let's work with these. Now these were individual values. We can store all these data types in a vector format. So we can store them like a numeric data type, we can store them in a vector format. Same character vector also containing the character data types, we can say. Same for logical operators. Now the problem over here is like for vectors, though it can store values, it can only store value of only one data type. As you can see, for numeric vector we can only save numerical values. We cannot put a characteristic data type like say a fruit name in the numeric vector, then it is wrong. So that is a limitation of vectors, where it can only take one kind of data type. Now there is also a matrix data type. Matrix data type is nothing but it's a two-dimensional array. So let's see. So matrix, again we use the simple function of matrix and we are taking from 1 is to 9. So we have taken a random values, a random sequence, and then we have given as the number of rows. So we want a 3 cross 3 matrix. We can also mention the columns, or if you don't, that also fine. R will figure it out itself. So that's how smart R is. So यहाँ पर है, we will see what matrix. See, same thing we have gotten the and over here we can see this values, this in 2 square brackets, which is 1 2 3, which is the positions. So that's one is index 1 is the first position, which is a numeric vector. Index 2 is the second position, and obviously index 3 is the third position. So this will help us to access the list later on, this kind of indexing. So I hope you learned something, and this is the starting of statistics. And now that we know the different data types, now we will further move to a bit more complex problems. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.